Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to import custom saves to your Game Boy Advance cartridge games. So all you will need for this video is a Game Boy Advance game of your choice. It has to be an official game though, and you will also need an R4 card. You'll also need an original DS or a DS Lite, just so you can plug the R4 in and the Game Boy Advance cartridge at the same time. So what you need to do first guys is just copy your R4's SD card onto your PC, and then I'll show you guys what files to put on it. Okay guys, so I leave these two links in the description. The first link just here, I've already made a video on it, but if you didn't download it in that video, then you can get it in this one. It's just called GBA Backup Tool. Go ahead and just click the green download file button, then just click start download. That's it, that's all you need. And now you need to just choose your save file. So on this web page, all you want to do is find the game that you have. So I have got Pokémon Sapphire, so I'm just going to scroll down and find that. So here's my game. There's tons of games on here with all really good save files, so you guys just choose whichever one you want. So here's mine, Pokémon Sapphire. All you want to do is just click the download option right here. It's then just going to download the save file. So now just head over to your downloads folder, and you'll find these two files. All you want to do is actually create a new folder first and just call it GBA_backup. So you do right click, new folder, and call it that. So I'm just going to replace it quick. Then you want to extract this file right here, so just right click and then select extract here. So you will now have these two files, GBA_backup and GBA_backup tool. This just has the tool in and stuff. Now you just need to extract the save file, so just right click and then select extract here. It's then going to give you two files, and this one right here, .frm, you need to delete it. And then just put the save file into the GBA_backup folder. And guys, that is very simple, and these two files just now need to go onto the root of your R4's SD card. So they should copy across very quick. You can always just go ahead and check they're on there. It should look just like that. So now you can go ahead and put your SD card back into your R4, and I'll show you guys how to install the custom save files onto your Game Boy Advance cartridge. Once you're back off your computer, just put your Game Boy Advance cartridge in, and then just put your R4 in. Right guys, so I'm going to prove that this works. I'm just going to start up my Pokémon Sapphire game and show you guys the current save file that's on here. So as you can see, here's my current save file. Nothing too exciting. It's just at the start of the game where you get to select your Pokémon. That is pretty much it. So now I'll show you guys how to go on the R4, start up the program, and how to copy it across your custom save file. So go and boot up your R4 card. Then just access the SD card, scroll down to the GBA Backup Tool, and this is the program you want to run. Just press A to launch it. Then just press A to select your Game Boy Advance cartridge. Right guys, so we will be using these two options, Save Backup, and then press R to go onto the next option, and Save Restore. So for this one guys, I'm just going to back up the save file first. You guys should probably do this as well. So what you need to do, you just need to press B. So I'm just going to say the file is made by this file name, so just press A to run. And there you go guys, it is now backed up my save file. As you can see, it's right there. So now we're going to restore to the custom save file. So we're just going to go R to go onto Save Restore. Then you need to select the file at the top using the D-pad. So the one I downloaded was this one right here, PokemonSaph.sav. So what I'm going to do is just press A to restore it. It's then going to say, would you like to use it? Just press A. It's then going to restore it. You can now go ahead and power off your console. So it's really simple guys. This one to back up save files, this one to restore them, and yeah, it's pretty much it. So I'm just going to prove that this works. So I'm going to get my Game Boy Advance SP and show you guys the save file working on there. Okay guys, here on my Game Boy Advance SP, let me just boot into the game quickly. As you can see guys, you might get this error, the save file is corrupt. but it's not actually corrupt. This is just sort of a glitch because you're not actually supposed to be able to do this. So just scroll through and you can launch up the game, and as you can see guys, completely custom save file. I can press start and everything, check out my Pokemon. Obviously I don't know, I've never played this before, so somebody else must have done all the progress on this, which is actually really cool. So that is pretty much it for this video. That is how you load custom save files onto your Game Boy Advance cartridges. If you enjoy, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.